Basically, I've always had a soft spot for small capacity scooters, in particular the Vega. It was originally designed by a gentleman called Bertoni, who also designed the Lamborghinis and Fiats and prestige sports cars. Thus we have the trademark Bertoni headlight unit on the front. It was based to commemorate the moon landings, therefore the name the Lunar Range. When I purchased it years ago, I found her in the backyard of an old Italian man who'd painted it with a paintbrush bright yellow, and that's all he managed to do. He managed to paint it yellow, stuck an engine in it, and never got it to run. Through the help of Jem Booth in the UK, he managed to source the remaining parts. We stripped it down, rebuilt it, and I've managed to ride her around. I've also done a lot of porting and barrel work to the piston to boost its capacity through old school tuning of barrel, the two-stroke barrel induction. And I've also added on a set of knobblies. The reason why I love restoring these old girls is that these often went to the tip. These were often got to the point of being so outdated that people looked at the design, especially in the 70s and 80s, and thought, this is outdated, it's not modern. So what ended up happening, particularly around about the late 90s, that these became extremely scarce. They were just dumped and thrown away. And that for me is a call out for restoration. That for me is a call out to salvage and to look after these things and preserve their history. So as much as possible when I restore them with as much originality as possible, but I'll add a few extra quirks to them that make it mine. For example, chroming the chain case covers, or adding the knobbly wheels, or for the sake of reliability, giving a 12-volt conversion.